In this Hidden PLR review, I'm going to be showing you a system responsible for making over $20 million in sales from a guy who waited over 20 years to ever create his first product. He's going to show you exactly how to make money from PLR products that you might have just sitting around on your computer starting today. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Hidden PLR, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of JBZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new Hidden PLR 3-step system reveals how to make maximum sales in minimum time with any PLR product you already have gathering dust on your hard drive. PLR means private label rights, essentially sell rights that you can use to actually resell these products. And a lot of PLR stuff exists out there. People just don't know how to actually make money with it. And this guy is the guy to learn from because he's made over $20 million in sales from actually using PLR. So it's really straightforward here how this all works. I'm going to show you a quick little video explaining it a little bit better from Nick. And then I'm going to come back and show you all the different upgrades that you're going to be offered if you decide to purchase today.
Hi, it's Nick James here and welcome to this special webpage. And I'm sure that you already know just how profitable it can be to sell simple information products and private label rights products online, or PLR as it's known. Heck, and if you've been following me for any time, you'll probably already know I sold my first licensed product back online in 2001, and I sold well over $1 million worth of licensed products before even thinking about creating my own products from scratch. You know, that's some 20 years and some $20 million later. You know, today I'm still selling simple products like these online. So if you're wondering, can, ordinary, everyday people enjoy huge financial success online? Then the answer is yes. I'm one of them. And yes, I've enjoyed, the cars and the houses and the vacations and the general everyday luxuries and balanced lifestyle that this type of business provides. And I say this not to impress you, but to impress upon you how quickly things can change when you make the right decisions to swap out wages for profits in your life. And wasn't it Jim Rohn that first said that profits are better than wages because wages make you a living, but profits make you a fortune? And that's all I did. I started a simple business selling licensed information products online, and it became immensely profitable. But let me ask you a question. Why is it that some people can take PLR licensed products and make hundreds or thousands of sales, while others struggle to sell even a single copy? Yeah, and why is it that some people are able to come out with a continual stream of new products to profit from, while others struggle to launch a single product a year? And why is it that some people always seem to have an army of experienced JV partners promoting their latest product offering, while others struggle to attract even the greenest or the newest affiliates? Well, let me tell you, it's got nothing to do with how many other people are selling similar products, and it's got nothing to do with the size of your email list, and it's got nothing to do with anything like luck or money. It's simply that the successful ones have a process, a simple system that they follow to virtually guarantee their success. A system that's not taught by people selling licenses to PLR products. In fact, they might not know that this even exists themselves, because successfully selling PLR licenses to you and actually selling the product itself to end customers are actually two very different things. So listen, it's not their fault for not teaching you, and it's certainly not your fault for not knowing this stuff already. It's just that you've never been shown. But all that is going to change today, thanks to Hidden PLR. Yes, PLR might stand for private label rights, but there's also a hidden meaning for those initials PLR. And it's this that forms the basis of a simple 3-step system that you can follow to virtually guarantee your success with any PLR product that you've already licensed or may license in the future. Today, and for the first time, I'm releasing details of the complete PLR system, a system that I've privately been using for the last 2 decades to make as much as $10,000 in a single day. To create Hidden PLR, I sat down in my home office and created a brand new video using my camcorder and an iPad and an Apple Pencil to explain every single step of the process. Now, my original intention for the video I'd recorded about Hidden PLR was to be included in a brand new home study course that I'm creating about the entire licensing business, which I plan to sell later this year for $197. However, as a special offer, instead, as you're watching this video right now, I'd like to invite you to download Hidden PLR, the video and the 35-page transcript for the lowest possible price. Let me explain. To ensure that Hidden PLR and the system gets into the hands of those people that need it most in the shortest amount of time possible. And by that I mean, determined, keen, switched on business owners and entrepreneurs like you that have already invested in licenses to PLR products in the past. I've decided to make the entire Hidden PLR system available for a short time as a dime sale, starting off at the steal of a deal of just $5. However, you should realize that because it's a dime sale, each time a copy is sold, the price increases. So there's never been a better time to seize the moment and grab your copy right away. Hidden PLR follows an extremely simple 3-step process that anyone can follow and put to work both quickly and easily. In fact, I'd be amazed if you couldn't just not only study, but also implement the entire system in just one day. You see, everything is fully explained in detail within just 1 hour and 20 minutes with no fluff and no waffle. Plus, to ensure that you have got everything that you need to get started, when you request your copy of Hidden PLR via the dime sale today, I also want to give you a valuable bonus, a set of 7 fantastic special reports together with the corresponding sales letters and also the full private label rights, so that even if you're just getting started, that you have everything that you need right now from day one. Listen, I could easily be asking $47 to $97 for a package of special reports like this by itself. But instead, I'd like to make it my gift to you for taking prompt action today and requesting your copy of Hidden PLR today. Plus, and to give you complete reassurance about grabbing your copy of Hidden PLR immediately, I also want to make you a promise. Listen, if you're not personally thrilled with everything you'll discover within Hidden PLR, you are also covered by my personal promise and guarantee. You simply pop a quick email over to myself or one of my team within the next 30 days and let us know, and we'll refund your investment in full. You'll also be welcome to keep the bonus package of those 7 special reports together with the private label rights to each of them with our compliments. That way you really do have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain by investing in Hidden PLR today. That and 30 days should be plenty of time for you to download and watch and implement the complete Hidden PLR 3-step system for yourself and see just how easy it works. So do that, and once you see the practical, the logic, and the effective steps, not to mention all those extra sales that you could be making, I'm sure that you're going to be extremely happy as a customer. So listen, whatever the dime sale price reaches, the low investment in dollars and cents for Hidden PLR, I guarantee it will always definitely be worth it, especially when you consider all of the extra profits you can now enjoy from launching just one licensed PLR product and making new and consistent sales using the simple 3-step process. I liken it to buying dollars for dimes. But listen, the worst thing to happen right now is that you don't use the hidden PLR three-step system, and instead you try to model along and try to continue to work things out and do it by yourself, or by following the instructions from people selling you the PLR licenses, and not somebody that successfully sold licensed products to end customers for over 20 years now. That's exactly what I've done. So pass up this opportunity today, and yeah, you might save a couple of bucks now, but you may also end up wasting a lot of time later. And that's not to mention losing out on hundreds of extra sales or thousands of extra dollars in profit simply because you didn't invest in the most important part of your online business, your own education. So your best decision is to grab your copy of Hidden PLR right now and lock yourself in at the lowest price available, and then download your review copy of this special video and transcript in the comfort of your own home, safe in the knowledge that your full satisfaction is completely guaranteed. So go ahead and click on the button below right now, and I look forward to hearing your positive feedback as you put Hidden PLR to work in your business. And I'll see you on the other side in just a few minutes.
Okay, so this is the first upgrade you'll see. It says start your own monthly recurring revenue stream today. Fresh PLR content every single month. So it's $1 trial on this if you want to get in on the trial and try this out here. And then you can, after that, it's a monthly here. So let me just go click over and show you how much that's going to be. So it's a $1 trial here to get in, and then after that, I should show you how much it is after. Okay, oh, that is $29.99 after 7 days, $29.99 every single month after that. So you can just try it out for $1, but after that, if you want to continue on, it's about $30 a month to continue on with this program. The next OTO, this is your chance to get private label rights to each and every back issue of the Internet Marketing Newsletter PLR's service. So if you want to get access to all his old stuff here, have access to everything that he's put out here, you can get access to this one. And this one here, you can get access to all the back issues for just one payment of $97, or you can get the back issues for 2 payments of $57, 30 days spread apart. The next one here, would you like to be one of 20 special customers to review the new product licensing formula home study course? So this is a home study course that he's got here. You can get this for a discounted price. Let's see what the price is for this one. This one's $197 if you want to pick this one up here. And then the last one is access to his inner circle. It's a private inner circle mastermind group. You can join this if you want to join that. I always like to show you guys the prices, as I would like to see them as well. This one is $400. This one is going to cost you a little bit more, but you have access to quite a bit of stuff here with this private mastermind group. All these different OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Hidden PLR and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, I guess if you don't really want to not create products, this is for people that, like, if you really want to create your own product and that's what you want to do, then this might not be right for you. This is for people who want to take done-for-you products and use them as your own instead of actually creating a product from scratch. So if you're someone that needs to do it yourself, then this might not be right for you. What do I like about this? I love the fact that Nick has actually been doing this. He's teaching a proven formula that's made him millions of dollars. If you could just make a fraction of what he's made with this, it would be worth the price. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out Hidden PLR, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.